It says the voltage of the domestic supply is represented by the equation V is equal to 311 sine 314.2 T. Determine the frequency of the AC supply. Okay, so to solve that question, remember that don't forget we are solving question number 4, and don't forget to hit the subscription button, and let's continue. We were given that a certain sinusoidal equation is given by V is equal to 311 sine 314.2. Of course, with the T, the time parameter over there. Good. So we were asked to find the frequency of the AC supply. So we have to compare this with our model equation, which is V naught sine 2 pi ft. At that point, you can do your inspection. You'll notice that these are similar. So we can take that 2 pi ft is the same thing as 314.2 T. Please, there's a decimal point here. So you can take away the sign parameter, and of course our pi is the same thing as 3.142. Right, so at that point we have that frequency F is equal to 314.2 divided by 2 pi, which is the same thing as 314.2 divided by 2 times 3.142. This cancels this to give you yes, it is going to give you 100. So you will have 100 divided by 2. So our final answer will be that frequency F is equal to 50 Hertz. Right, I hope you gained something. I hope you learned something. Please like and share the post. I am sure somebody you know will be interested in this very post. Share it and like it, and then send it to your friends. And of course, I'll see you in the next question.
Flavor.